Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious lollipops at home without using corn syrup. First, let's get organized. You will need a candy thermometer, lollipop molds, and sticks. Prepare your molds by lightly greasing them and placing a stick in each cavity. Measure your main ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 of a cup of water, and 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar or a small amount of lemon juice to prevent crystallization. Have your chosen flavor extract and food coloring nearby. Now let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the sugar, water, and cream of tartar. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar granules are completely dissolved. This is a crucial step to prevent crystallization later on. Once the sugar is fully dissolved and the mixture comes to a boil, stop stirring entirely. Use a pastry brush dipped in cool water to wash down any sugar crystals that form on the sides of the pan. The next step is vital for perfect lollipops. Continue boiling the sugar syrup without stirring until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius on your candy thermometer. This is known as the hard crack stage. As soon as it hits this temperature, remove the pan from the heat immediately. Working quickly, stir in your desired flavor extract and a few drops of food coloring. Gentle swirling can help incorporate them without causing crystallization. With your flavored and colored syrup ready, carefully pour it into your prepared lollipop molds. Fill each cavity, ensuring the sticks are fully covered. Let the lollipops sit undisturbed at room temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until they are completely cool and hard. Once solid, gently pop them out of their molds. To keep your homemade lollipops fresh and prevent them from becoming sticky, store them in an airtight container in a cool, dry place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.